Hi, future teachers. Welcome to another episode of Let Review Hack or Technique on how are you going to answer licensure examination for teachers questions easily. So basically today we are going to discuss about the difference of probing and prompting as a type of question. So these are actually two of the types of questions that we usually encounter as a teacher. So first, let us discuss about what is probing. Probing is actually a type of questioning that requires learners to explain their answer. So basically, you ask the students to elaborate their answers. If, for example, the student gave you a correct answer, then you want the students to explain it more. So we call it probing. So the word probing comes from the root word probe, and the end letter of the word probe is E. And I connect it to the word elaborate. So basically, you can easily remember the concept when you relate a certain topic to another word that you can easily remember. No? So just like what I did here, so probe, the end letter of probe is E, which means elaborate for me. So this is actually what we call meaning-making device. Now you take one letter of a word and you make meaning out of that letter. No, so basically that is one of the ways that helped me in answering board licensure examinations when I took LET last 2015. Next is, now we will discuss about wait lang, parang ayaw niya. Yan. So next we are going to discuss what is prompting. Prompting is a type of questioning technique which provides hints if the students do not know the answer. So unlike in probing, the students know the answer. And in case the students do not know the answer, what do we usually do? We provide hints, we provide help so that students can answer, so that students can have that idea, what is asked from the question. So what is the root word of prompting? The root word of prompting is prompt. So what is the last letter of the word prompt? So it's T. So again, meaning-making device. I took letter T and make a meaning out of it. So basically, help. So I can't find English term for help. So I just used the Filipino term, which is tulong. So basically, it's help. So that's the concept of prompting. You provide hint or help to students who do not know the answer. So with that, they can give you the correct answer. So that's the difference between probing and prompting. So probing, the root word is probe and the last letter is E. So it's elaborate. So it's explanation, more explanation from the answer. Prompting, the root word is prompt and the last letter of prompt is T. So which means tulong. So it's providing help when the students do not know the answer. So that's the difference between the two. So easy lang, madali lang siya, diba? So I hope you get it right. And I have questions here so that you can actualize the concept. So are you ready? So here's the first question. Diba yan? Parating ano? Yan. First question is, Teacher C asked the class, is the class answer correct? Student A said no. Teacher C asked the student, why no? Which did Teacher C do? Letter A, is it directing? Is it probing? Is it repeating? Or is it rephrasing? What did Teacher C do? Okay, very good. It's letter B. It's probing, no? So the answer here is probing. So the answer here is probing. Why the answer here is probing? It is because teacher C asked the class, is the class answer correct? Then they have the answer. They said no. But teacher C would like to know why they answered no. So it's basically asking the students to explain why they answered no. And explanation, elaboration, no, so is linked to the word probing because the root word of probing is probe. E here is elaborate. Okay, very good. So let's move on to the next question. Teacher C asked a question about what is the second largest country in the world. Nobody answered until Teacher C said it rests in Asia and starts with letter C. What did the teacher do? Letter A, is it probing? Letter B, is it completion? Letter C, is it prompting? Letter D, is it none of the above? Pasensya na kayo maingay. Okay, what is your answer? I will give you 30 seconds to think. Okay, very good. So the answer here is what? The answer here is prompting. Why we answered prompting? It is because Teacher C asked a question about what is the second largest country in the world. Nobody answered. So mean to say, walang nakakaalam sa klase ni Teacher C. Maybe they are confused with the answer, or maybe they just they know it but they just forgot the word, no? So mean to say they need help. They need tulong. So the answer here is prompting because until Teacher C said it rests in Asia and starts with letter C, therefore Teacher C gave a hint or help or tulong. So the answer here is prompting because, so as we have said a while ago, that prompting comes from the root word prompt, and the end letter is T, which means tulong. Yan lang ang leksyon natin ngayon, guys. So I hope you get something out of what we have discussed today. I hope that I was able to help you somehow. Sana makapasa kayo lahat sa board exam this March 2020. So please subscribe to my channel for more updates of the Let Review hack or technique on how are you going to answer licensure examination for teachers questions easily. So goodbye guys, have a great day.